Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your currency on the Alibaba application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the My Alibaba icon down below, which is the last option. After that, scroll down till you find the settings section, tap on it and click on currency, which is the second option here. Now, as you can see, you can view the product price in the following currencies. So here you should choose the relevant one. You have a bunch of options here. These are organized into alphabetical orders or order, and you can find your preferred one by clicking on its letter, the starting letter in the right side of the screen, and you can find it more easily. So click on the relevant one and then you will be able to update it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.